have been kind of conditioned by the society. In the 10th standard, in the 12th standard, everything is marks. The family wants you to have marks. The society wants you. It looks at you with that lens. And it is never questioning that lens itself. And when you come out into a course which is, which ideally should not be time bound, it ideally should not be, marks bound, but something which makes you curious and instills passion.
Okay, yeah.
So, if as a person you can break out of it, it changes the way you look at it. And then it doesn't matter if that professor is listening to you or not, because you have now the possibility through your own, you have softwares, you don't have to do the legwork like if you were using the sun path, but you can say that with this decisions, it will be cooler. This is where I should put windows. This is where I should get light. And if you do that, you will have the first satisfaction. And it is important that you kind of grade yourself in your parameters, not the parameters established by others.